In this video, me I go discuss this Sha'Carri Robinson story for the last time. And people, you don't want to miss this video. Because me I expose that girl here and show you that girl here is not an athlete, but she's just a social media personality. All of this and more after the intro.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Exp0sed that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy Marie TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now people, I'm kinda tired for address the little situation here. You see me? Tired for talk about Sha'Carri Robinson. I'm tired for see Sha'Carri Robinson on my timeline. I'ma feel like said Jamaica give this girl too much attention. This girl is not an athlete. This girl no know when to quit. Alright? So she styled Shelly yesterday. Like she and Shelly got in our little social media brawl or social media conflict, and I done tell you in the previous video already. We athletes them are athlete, them a runner. Them now go come on the internet come do no bag of chattings. Now me, that me we do. Me and a runner. Come on the internet, bag of chattings. Whole of Jamaica, come on the internet, bag of chattings. Because we will defend for we own. So when we see somebody from outside go on like say them want come style way, or go on like say them want come this way, we now go have it. You see me? Now, Sha'Carri Robinson, after she lose, she come dead last. And people, if you don't watch that video there, go and go watch it. I'm going to explain how she come dead last and do a review upon it. Dead last with nobody behind her. Now, it's like this girl don't know how to accept say she lose and just call it a day and go back to the drawing board and try and run her forward. But no, this girl love the internet. She love company internet, come make mischief. Now Sha'Carri Robinson, after she lose, Zine, I may stop even call her name, Sha'Carri Finn. After she lose, she have the audacity of changing her profile pic on Twitter to a screenshot of the interview that she did immediately after coming dead last. So now people, this shot, cause she perfectly line it up, you know. You can see Shelly in the background. You can see, I think it is Elaine in the background. And you can see Sherika Jackson in the background. Now, mama, I saw you well one day beside the greats that you have to change your profile pic for, show them up in the background. Me no know. That don't make no sense. Anyway, we know say that is a shade. Then she forward back now and replied to some person tweet when I go highlight them. But she go say, Shorty in the back look like Lil Wayne. Now, which Shorty you thought look like Lil Wayne? You really thought about Shelly or Elaine or one of them look like Lil Wayne? Tell me if I'm not styling that, Remember, a bag of people on the internet come on and say, yo, we feel leave her and we are drag her and we are do this and we are do that. People gonna follow me. Zine? Now, today, this girl I got tweet and her exact tweet was, the only way from 9th is up. Jano Star, what a thing. You can't manage if she move from 9 and got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Can you imagine? No. Why I say this is going to be the last time I address this girl and the last time I address this whole issue is because the girl here I look hype off away. The girl here I look followers off away. The girl here I look viral off away. And we know them craft there. You see me? So I have to tell the Jamaican people them say, start highlight this little cokehead girl. Because she's not smoking weed. That what them find in our system what there is a lie. That is not weed. Me know enough people who smoke weed and then ask so a coke you smoke, mama. You see me? I mean, I want nobody forward under the comment section and talk about, oh, we must uplift our black woman and uplift it. You see, she look like say she want uplift no black woman. A war with it. You see me? war. We not like her. She full of too much style. Anytime she do something, she want to come play a victim. We don't like that style. We do not like that style. I'm going to tell the people, let me say, please, this Sha'Carri girl, when you just stop talking about her. Like, the joke, it's not funny again. We could just lift up, you know, girls them will win. Elaine, bless up yourself. Shelly, Sherika Jackson, Brianna, little Brianna, big up yourself, because you still beat Sha'Carri Finn. You see me? That Murphy say. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know if you like this topic I discussed today. And people want to remember, make we keep your head up right now and lower out some people who try to gain followers and them thing there. Cause obviously she's not an athlete. She's a social media personality. Alright? Big up on yourself. We're gone.
And a good start from Shelly and Fraser, Pryce. Thompson raw. Richardson being left behind. And out in front, the Olympic champion does it again.
10.54. That is the second fastest time ever.